friends, hope you will be fine and staying safe in your home. Today we will study about the mapping process of a page table to the main memory. So here we are going to provide a mapping of, that is, page table to the main memory. In operating system, there is always a requirement of mapping from logical address to physical address. Now, however, this process involve various steps which are defined below. First step is generation of logical address. As we know that CPU generates this address and it is generated for each page of a process. So in this we can say that this contains two parts. Number one is page number and another one is offset. Point number two is scaling. Now in this, to find out the actual page number of the process, CPU stores the page table base in a special register. Each time the address is generated, the value of the page table base, value of page table base is added to the page number to get the actual location of page entry in the table. So this whole process is known as scaling. Now the third one is generation of physical address. Now third is generation of physical address. In this, the frame number of the desired page is determined by its entry in the page table. A physical address is generated which also contain two parts. One part is the frame number and another part is the frame offset. The offset will be similar to the logical address offset, so it will be copied from the logical address. Now fourth point is getting actual frame number. In this, the frame number and its offset from the physical address is mapped to the main memory in order to get the actual word address. So this is the whole process. First logical address is generated, then scaling is performed, third the physical address is generated, and after that we will get the actual frame number. So let us understand this with the help of diagram. We have a page table and we have a main memory. Now suppose a logical address is generated by a CPU, that is a page number and offset. So here we will get a page table base register, and here we have a desired page. Now this desired page will be getted to the physical address, offset is same, and this is the frame number. So now this will get here and we will get the actual number of a frame size. So this is the way by which mapping is performed. One thing to remember is that the offset of the logical address and the offset of the physical address is same. So thank you very much.